Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a broadcast list on WhatsApp. Now if you don't know what a broadcast list is just a kind of list that you create for the purpose of sending bulk messages. All right, like for instance, if you're into marketing, if you sell anything online and you have a group of people that you want to be sharing your business with, you want to share information and promotional messages, you can actually create a broadcast list and then send one message, and that message gets to all of them at once as long as they are on the list of your broadcast. All right, so this is what a broadcast list is. If this is your first time of coming onto this channel, my name is Awajima Ishuto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you how to do things that can help you generate money for yourself using the internet. All right, so welcome to my channel. I'm very glad to have you. All right, so before I go into that, all I need you to do right now is to like this video and subscribe to this video and turn on the notification bell so that when I post more videos you will be notified. All right, so having said that, we are going to dive in straight to the video. Okay, so for you to create a broadcast list on WhatsApp, you should know that definitely you should have a WhatsApp on your phone, and WhatsApp is the most used messaging app of today. Okay, you can see it on my screen. All right, so you need WhatsApp to do this. Then what you need to do is to go to your WhatsApp, open WhatsApp, and then you can start creating your broadcast. All right, so you open your WhatsApp and come to your chat here, and then come to these three dots on the right side on the top. You click on it and then you look for new broadcast. Are you seeing? You see new broadcast, click on new broadcast, and then you start adding. By clicking you are adding. All right, by clicking you are adding. So you add all of the people that you know that you want to add to your business, and once you're done with that, you just click on this mark that is good mark, okay, below right. Just click on it, and once you click on it you are done. All right, so once you're done, you can see it's showing us 8 recipients. You can add as much as you want to add, and then once you're done, you can come to these 3 dots again to title your broadcast list. Okay, you can label the list if you want. You can add a wallpaper to it. You can add a media to it. Okay, so for us to title our list, all you need to do is to click on the top here. All right, and come here and say edit recipient. No, not edit recipient. You come to this top 3 dots, click on it again, and then you say change broadcast list name. So this is where you're going to title the name. You can say BC 8. Are you seeing it? Title it whatever name you want to title it, and once you're done, you click on OK. And once you click OK, your broadcast list is created. Guys, this is how to create a broadcast list on WhatsApp, and the essence is that you can actually send bulk messages to people and promote your product, promote your business with this strategy. All right, if you got value from this video, make sure that you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I post more videos you will be notified. All right, one more thing before I go. If you want to learn how to promote your business on WhatsApp, all right, if you want to learn how to promote your business on WhatsApp, if you want to learn how to do marketing on WhatsApp, all you need to do is to go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop a link there for you. All right, and also if you want to join my mentorship, it costs just $1. All right, $1 to join my mentorship group, where I'm going to be sharing more tips for you on how you can make money online by sharing your knowledge. If you want to join my mentorship, it just costs $1. All you need to do is to go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop all the links that you need there in my description. Okay, so do well to go to the description. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.